Everything on Earth is made from fewer than 100 naturally occurring elements, such as oxygen, carbon, calcium, and iron. How are such elements formed? Many are created inside of stars, where tremendous heat and pressure cause atoms to fuse together. Stars like our sun fuse hydrogen, the lightest element, to form helium, a heavier element. Helium fuses to make carbon. As a star progressively forms heavier elements, it becomes larger. Its core becomes hotter and denser. Eventually, the core collapses on itself, and the star explodes, becoming a supernova. A supernova forms even heavier elements and shoots them into space. The Bible does not describe exactly how Jehovah formed the earth. But Jehovah ensured that earth contains all of the elements needed for life. When I see your heavens, the works of your fingers, the moon and the stars that you have prepared, what is mortal man that you keep him in mind, and a son of man that you take care of him? The atmosphere. One of Earth's amazing life support systems. Its mix of gases sustains life. It insulates the Earth and prevents temperature extremes that could destroy life. It protects against most life-threatening radiation and objects from space. Living things both depend on the atmosphere and contribute to it. When people and animals breathe, they absorb oxygen and put carbon dioxide back into the air. Plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Non-living systems also help to renew and to protect the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide trapped in rocks is recycled into the air when volcanoes erupt. Earth's gravity holds the atmosphere close to the surface, and its magnetic field may prevent solar winds from eroding the atmosphere into space. The Earth, our well-supplied and well-protected home, is indeed a loving gift. As for the heavens, they belong to Jehovah, but the earth he has given to the sons of men. Of all plant life on earth, the most abundant is grass. Found on every continent, it covers more than 1/3 of the planet. Grass serves as food. Nearly 70% of all agricultural land grows grass crops. Grass provides shelter. Bamboo, a type of grass, can grow taller than 40 meters or 131 feet. This makes it a popular building material. Grass can be clothing. It's in our lives almost every day. Grass is just one of many plants that Jehovah created to meet our needs. These are mentioned by name at Genesis 1, verse 12. And the earth began to produce grass, seed-bearing plants, and trees yielding fruit along with seed, according to their kinds. Then God saw that it was good. Temperatures in the Arctic can drop to minus 50 degrees Celsius or minus 58 degrees Fahrenheit. The polar bear, however, maintains its body temperature at around 37 degrees Celsius or 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. It is a marvel of thermal engineering. The transparent hairs of a polar bear scatter the sun's visible light, making them appear white. Ultraviolet rays are trapped in the fur. The bear's black skin helps it to absorb that captured heat. Oils in its fur also help to keep the bear warm and dry. From extreme temperatures to extreme depths. The Mariana Trench in the Pacific is deeper than Earth's tallest mountains. Creatures survive here despite perpetual darkness and the crushing weight of the waters. Fish living at extreme depths have a highly concentrated chemical in their cells that keeps proteins and membranes working properly. God has marvelously equipped these and other animals. What does this say about our own value in God's eyes? Observe intently the birds of heaven. They do not sow seed or reap or gather into storehouses, yet your heavenly Father feeds them. Are you not worth more than they are? From the moment we are born, we experience the world through our senses. Touch lets us feel safe and loved. We use it to explore and learn. The sounds we hear convey meaning. With 2 ears, we can locate a sound's direction. Different wavelengths of light are perceived as a range of vivid colors. Images from each eye combine in 3D so that we can better judge depth and distance. We can detect over 10,000 smells by using a small group of cells that detect microscopic materials in the air. We taste, see, smell, touch, and hear in one enjoyable experience. All the senses converging in one place, our brain. Some 200 billion nerve cells connected by trillions of tiny contacts. The brain interprets chemical signals from each sense, connects new information to what we already know, and stores lasting memories. Life is a precious gift from our loving Creator. King David was inspired to write, "I praise you because in an awe-inspiring way, I am wonderfully made. Your works are wonderful. I know this very well."